Meanwhile, Kirinyaga County Governor Anne Waiguru has defended the utilization of resources at the grassroots, saying counties have everything to celebrate a decade into devolution.
Well, the Council of Governors Chairperson says the 2.9 trillion shillings sent to counties since 2013 have transformed lives in the devolved units and revolutionized the delivery of services, especially in the health sector.
Here is Giverson Maina with the details.
It's now a decade since the inception of devolution. 10 years on, governors say they are proud of the performance of counties in the furtherance of the ideals of the system of governance. Governor Anne Waiguru says devolution has drastically reduced inequalities and marginalization in providing services to the people.
Sometimes the unions of healthcare professionals would not understand that, and they keep trying to claw back the health function back to the national government. And I think it's about time that we had a sitting and understand the reason why this was devolved in the first place.
The governors noted that great milestones have been realized, especially in healthcare.
We have improved primary healthcare. The number of women who are delivering in health facilities has gone to over 80%, being given care as opposed to what it was before, below 50%.
If we look at what was presented today, we have done, most counties are doing 30%. And therefore all we need is just a backup from the national government in terms of increase in resources, in terms of disbursement.
From my end, I wish to commit to increasing efforts and engaging the relevant stakeholders to realize increasing resource allocation to county government.
Governor Anne Waiguru says despite the milestones, pending bills are a ball and chain for many counties.
But we're also very pleased to have counties like Elgeyo Marakwet that has completely finished all their pending bills. My county, for example, Kirinyaga, has only got an outstanding of 200 and many out of about 700 and something. Hopefully in another 2 years we'll be over and done with the story of pending bills.
Though devolution has in the last decade been plagued by claims of corruption, governors insist that graft is a national issue.
We just got a report the other day of private hospitals swindling NHIF. That is not government offices. So what I am saying is that this country needs a social conversation that we all need to have as individuals, where we define what our problem and where our society failed and see how we can correct it as a country.
It's very, very important to have a predictable source of finance, predictable, a regular source of financing, both in terms of transfers from the national government, but also own resources from the generation from the counties.
As devolution turns 10 years old, the governors say so much has been achieved, especially in delivering health services to the people. However, they've been challenged to ensure accountability and fight corruption to instill confidence to the taxpayers. Giverson Maina for Easy Friday, Nairobi.